Hello everyone, so I'll show you how to generate a QR code in PowerPoint, Word and Excel. So this is PowerPoint. Now this QR code you can place in your PowerPoint presentation. So to generate it, open PowerPoint, click on Insert, click on Get Add-ins, and in search you want to type QR for Office. Click on the search and click on Add. This is the one. Click Continue, and it shows up here on the right side. Now here is where, if you have a website, you can place your website here, and I want to make it HTTPS. I'm going to type Nowtrin. So this is the website, and this QR code is generated for this website. Now you can change the size, and also you can change the color. So you have all these color options also the background. So I'm going to leave it as the default. So I'm going to click Insert, and it's here. You can also increase the size here. Now also here in the drop down menu, it can also be a mail to, so you can type your email address here and generate a code for that. Here's a telephone number, SMS, geo, and custom. So that's how you generate a QR code in PowerPoint for your PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to create one for my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to copy the link, right click copy, and right click paste, and it's here. I'm going to click Insert, drag it here, and I can increase the size here. So to generate a QR code in Microsoft Word, click on Insert, click Get Add-ins, search for QR for Office, and it's here. Click Add, Continue. So I'm just going to copy my YouTube link, I want to make sure it's HTTPS. I'm just going to increase the size. So I'm going to choose a red, and I'm going to click on Insert, and it's here. Now you can do the same thing with Excel. Click on Insert, click Get Add-ins, type QR for Office, click Add, Continue, and I'm just going to paste my URL here. So I did that. Make sure it's HTTPS, and click on Insert and increase the size. So that's how you can create a QR code in PowerPoint, Word and Excel. So I thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I ask you to subscribe.